In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Getting Things Done or GTD Notion template. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you can set up an efficient system for managing your tasks and projects in Notion. Let's start by heading over to the Notion website. If you haven't already, click on Log In at the top. You'll see various options for logging in, and for this tutorial, we're going to use the Google option. Once you click on it, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. Pick the account you use for Notion, and you'll be logged in. Now that you're logged in, look for the Marketplace located on the left side of your screen. This is where you'll find various templates that other users have shared. In the search bar of the Marketplace, type in GTD template to find the one we'll be using today. Once you find a GTD template you like, click on it, and then click the Add button to add it to your workspace. Following that, click on See Template so you can view the various components and start personalizing it as needed. At this point, you'll notice different menus within the template such as Inbox, Next Action, and more. These categories help organize tasks based on their status or priority. Let's explore these menus to see how they function. To add a task, head to the Inbox section first. Click on New and type in the name of the task you want to add. After naming your task, set a due date by clicking on the calendar icon. It's crucial to fill in additional details too, whether it's work-related, personal priority, and so forth. This helps keep your task list detailed and manageable. After setting up a task, you can track its progress as it moves through different stages like next actions. Changing the task status to next action moves it to the corresponding section of the template. You'll see how tasks naturally move between sections as you update their status, making it a dynamic and intuitive system to use. Not to forget, the GTD template's tasks are also visible on a calendar within the template, making it easier to manage deadlines. Just switch to the calendar view to see where your tasks lie against the timeline. With just a few clicks, you can explore various tabs or menus and understand where each task fits in your overall project plan. This enables a streamlined workflow, ensuring you are consistently on top of what needs attention. Following these steps will help you successfully implement the GTD methodology using a Notion template, boosting both your productivity and organizational skills. That's all for today's guide on setting up and using a GTD Notion template. With this tool at your disposal, you can effectively manage your projects and tasks, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. Thanks for joining, and happy organizing.